Let's go to page 296, and this is multiplying the perfect squares. So you get x minus 1 square. Okay, so again, the quick way to multiply this is you square that. So you get x squared, negative square is plus, 1 square is 1. And the middle, you multiply all this together, so sign is negative. The number is 1 times 2 is 2, the alphabet is x, and that's it. Okay, so number 2, you have x minus 5 squared. Okay, so again, so you square this, you get x squared. Square that, you get plus. Square that, you get 25. The middle term, you multiply all this together, so sign is negative. The number is 2 times 5 is 10. Alphabet is x. So you can multiply all this together, and that's your middle term. Okay, so you got x plus 3 square. So square, you get x squared. Square, you get plus. Square that, you get 9. Middle term, so sign is plus. Number is 2 times 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Alphabet is x. Okay. Okay, number 4. X plus 4 square. So square that, you get x squared. Square the plus, you get plus. Square the 4, you get 16. The middle term, you multiply all this, so sign is plus. Number is 8. Alphabet is x. Okay, number 5. You have 4x minus 1 square. Okay, so square that, you get 16. Square that, you get x squared. Square that, you get plus. Square that, you get 1. Okay, now multiply all this together. The sign is minus. Alphabet, 2 times 1 is 2 times 4 is 2 times 1 is 2 times 4 is 8, and alphabet is x. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 6. You have 7x minus 1 square. So square that, 49. Square that, you get x squared. Square that, you get plus. Square that, you get 1. The middle term, multiply all this together, so the sign is minus. The number 2 times 1 is 2 times 7 is 14. Alphabet is x. Okay. Okay, number 7. You have 12x plus 1 square. Okay. Okay. So again, you square that, you get 144. Square that, you get x squared. Square that, you get plus. Square that, you get 1. So square each part. Okay, the middle term, multiply all this together. So the sign is plus. The number 2 times 1 is 2 times 12 is 24. Alphabet is x. Okay. Okay, number 8. You have 11x plus 1 square. So square that, you get 121. Square that, you get x squared. Square that, you get plus. Square that, you get 1. The middle term, multiply all together. So sign is plus. Number 2 times 1 is 2 times 11 is 22. Alphabet is x. Okay. Okay, number 9. You have 2s plus 4t squared. Okay, so you can use square that, you get 4. Square that, you get s squared. Square that, you get plus. Square that, you get 16. Square that, you get t squared. Now, the middle term, you multiply all this together, so start with sign is positive. The number 2 times 4 is 8 times 2 is 16. The alphabet is st. Okay. Okay, number 10. You have 3u plus 7v squared. Okay, so you square that, you get 9. Square that, you get u squared. Square that, you get plus. Square that, you get 49. Square that, you get v squared. The middle term, multiply all this together, so sign is plus. The number, I'm going to multiply this first. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Alphabet would be uv. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 11. Yeah, 5x minus 3y squared. So square that you get 25, square that you get x squared, square that you get plus, square that you get 9, square that you get y squared. The middle term, I can multiply everything together. The sign is going to be minus. Okay, my sign is minus. The number 2 times 5 is 10, times 3 is 30, and the alphabet would be x, y. Okay. Okay, number 12, you got 4x minus 7y squared. So you can square that, you get 16, square that, you get x squared, square that, you get plus, square that, you get 49, square that, you get y squared. Okay, the middle term, multiply everything together, so sign is minus. The number 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 7 would be 56, alphabet would be x, y. Okay, number 13. You have 3x plus 2z squared. So you can square that, you get 9, square you get x squared, square you get plus, square you get 4, square that you get z squared. The middle term, multiply everything together, the sign is plus, the number 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, the alphabet would be x and a z. Okay. Okay, number 14. Okay, you have 2x plus 7s squared. Okay, so square you get 4, square you get x squared, square you get plus, square that you get 49, square that you get s squared. The middle term, multiply everything together, so sign is plus, the number 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 7 is 28, and the alphabet would be x, s. Okay, number 15. You have 7x minus 8y squared. So square this, you get 49x squared. Okay, square that, you get plus, square that, you get 64, square that, you get y squared. The middle term, you multiply everything together, so sign is minus. The number, okay, 7 times 8 is 56, times 2 will give you 112, and the alphabet is x, y. Okay, and that's it. Okay, number 16. Yeah, 9x minus 7y squared. So square that, you get 81, square that, you get x squared, square that, you get plus, square that, you get 49, square that, you get y squared. The middle term, you multiply everything together, so the sign is minus. The number 9 times 7 is 63, 63 times 2 is 126, and alphabet would be x, y. Okay, and that's it.